Hi friends, thought this might be a useful video for some of you. We're going to be cleaning our chimney today. This is for those of you that might have a chimney that is difficult to get up on the roof of your house. That's basically the situation we have. I'm not comfortable getting up there. We want to clean it from the bottom, but you imagine if I stick my brush up from here, it's going to make a complete disaster. Yeah. So Mirabelle's going to help me today, and we're going to show you how to do this with low to no mess from the bottom. What you're going to need is a plastic bag, a rubber band that can stretch around your pipe, and then can you bring those up here quick?
Oh.
Yeah. Your chimney sweeper. So we're going to take this end bowl. We're going to put this into the bag. We're going to poke it through the bag, not the bottom, about halfway up. Now I'm going to bring the bag up. I have my helper holding for me. And I'm going to bring this right up here, and I'm going to take my rubber band, and you can either take it from the bottom up. In this case, I'm just going to stretch it out. My bag goes up, and then my rubber band goes around the bag and holds it. There's usually going to be a lip up here. I'm going to bring this up around the top of the lip to make sure that it holds a little bit more tightly. And some of this depends on how much stuff you have up there. I looked up there, we don't have tons and tons, so we're not going to make too big of a mess, but if you have a lot of creosote, you're going to want a heavy duty black garbage bag instead of just a little kitchen bag like this. All right, now we are ready. Again, my assistant is doing just perfect. Hold that for me, and we're going to guide it up into the chimney. All right, once I have it arranged, push it up. Now you're ready to sweep your chimney, and everything should fall into this bag. You're not going to catch everything, but almost everything. And these are pretty easy to use. If you haven't used them before, I'm going to press it up and screw on the next part. Make sure it's on there nice and tight. You do not want to get it stuck in there. And then keep moving it upward. If you need to, you don't know when you're hitting the top. This one has a topper on it, so when you feel it, you can always have someone be outside too, and they can look and say, hey, we're at the top. And that's it. Pretty easy to do and low to no mess. Thank you for your help.
Of course.